Hey guys, today we're going to teach you multiples. So I'm sure you're going to come across this and we'll make it a little bit easy and hard at the same time. So multiples are just like numbers that it could go into the times table. So for example, the multiples of 8 would be 8, 16, 24, 24, 32, etc. So to break it down, a multiple is a number, so say x, which is a product of a number of that number times by another number. Okay, kind of makes sense. It might be confusing, but we're gonna give you examples. Okay, so let's say we already showed you the multiples of 8. So therefore, the multiples of 2 would be what? Let's give you an example. It'll be 2. It'll be 4, 6, 8, etc. Do you see? It's just literally it's times table. Let's give you an example now. Let's give you a question. Make it a bit tricky to understand. When you're learning maths, obviously you learn some of the basics like this, like we showed you. But then when you do examples, it's easier to understand. So let's say list the multiples of 5. Okay, between between 23 and 43. So what are the multiples of 5 between these two numbers? So it's quite not easy, but easy in the sense that all you do the 5 times table. So you got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, etc. Now between 23 and 43, so here's 23 here and here's 43 here. So these four numbers here will be the multiples of 5 between 23 and 43. Does that make sense so far? Comment below if you got any questions. Let's carry on with a few more examples. So now we understand what multiples are. What about common multiples? I'll try to get myself a better pen next time. Let's see if this one works. Okay. Common multiples. A common multiple of two numbers is a multiple of both those numbers. So let's give you an example. Say we have 24, 7, 28, 42, and 35. Okay. Which of the numbers here are the common multiples of 2 and 7? Okay, let me move up a bit. So you got 24, 7, 28, 42, and 35. What are the common multiples of 2 and 7? What's the answer? Fairly easily, what are the 2 times table? So let's look for the even number. So you got the common multiples of 2 are 24, 7 clearly not, 28. Because, for example, 12 times 2 gives you 24. Again, this one, 2 times 14 gives you 28. Let's get the even numbers and 42. And what about the 7 times table? So you got 7, 14, 21, 20. So 7 is so clearly here. That one's there. 7, 14, 21, 28. Yeah. 28 and 35. And 7, 14, 20, 28, 35, 42. Okay. So you can always use a calculator and write it out. So which ones are the common multiples? Let's see it. You got 28, 28 on both sides. And you got 42 and 42. Therefore, the common multiples are 28 and 42. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.